John Dyer is an English actor and presenter. Dyer's breakthrough role was as Moff in Human Traffic, with other notable roles as Billy the Limpet in Mean Machine and as Tommy Johnson in The Football Factory. Following the success of The Football Factory, Dyer was often typecast in hard man roles, although it was this image that allowed him to present The Real Football Factories, its spin-off, The Real Football Factories International and Danny Dyer's Deadliest Men. Dyer has also worked in theater, having appeared in 3 plays written by Harold Pinter, with whom he had a close friendship. In 2013, he joined the cast of the BBC soap opera EastEnders in the role of Mick Carter. He had previously turned down a role in 2009 and in his autobiography, Straight Up, said that he would not join the cast until he was fat, bald and 50. He won the Serial Drama Performance Award at the National Television Awards in 2015, 2016, and 2019. In 2019, he began presenting the BBC game show The Wall. Dyer was born in Custom House, East London, in 1977, the son of Anthony and Christine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.